here are the tricky words to begin with. Take your time and read as many as you can. Just pause the video now. Okay, let's recap some of the sounds that we've already done so far. Can you say them? That's right. S. Ah, ah, ah. Well done if you got that right. T, t. Lovely, well done. Okay, so let's now introduce a new sound for today. The letter is P and the sound is P, P, P. We don't say P, we say P, P. So I'll have a go and then it'll be your turn. My turn. P. 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 Your turn. Last time. My turn. P. Your turn. Well done. Now let's have a look at how we write the letter P. So when we start the letter, we go down the plait around the pirate's face. Okay, we start here, we go down the plait and round the pirate's face. So get your fingers in the air and we're going to do this together 5 times. Okay, so try and say the phrase with me at the same time. Okay, off we go. Down the plait around the pirate's face. Down the plait around the pirate's face. Down the plait and around the pirate's face. Down the plait and around the pirate's face. One more time. Down the plait and around the pirate's face. Well done. So now I'd like you to get your whiteboard and pen and practice this 4 times at the top of your board. So saying the phrase if it helps you and making sure that your letters all look the same. So we go down the plait around the pirate's face. 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 Pause the video now and have a go. Okay, right, we're going to just do some segmenting and blending of words. Some of them have the P sound in them and some of them have the sounds that we've already learnt earlier in earlier lessons. Okay, so I will start by segmenting and I would like you to blend the words yourself. Okay, a, t, at, p, a, t, pat, s, a, p, s, a, t, t, a, p, tap. Okay, best thing to do now is to pause the video because what I would like you to do is get your robot arms ready and I would like you to have a go at reading all of these words by segmenting them and then blending them back together. So pause the video now and off you go. Well done. Okay, so now we're going to have a practice of writing some of those words that have the P sound in them. Okay, so go back to your board and the first word I would like you to have a go at writing is pat. P, a, t. Pause the video, write it down and then we can check if you got it right. Okay, if you did this, P, a, t, P, a, t. Give yourself a tick. Your next word is sap. S, a, p, sap. Pause the video and have a go at writing it. Okay, you should have got sap. Well done if you got it right. And the last word to practice is tap. Tap. Pause video and have a go at writing it. Tap. And this is how we write tap. Tap. How did you get on? Okay, so to finish off the lesson, we're just going to do our I Spy with words that begin with a P. So in the picture, there are some items that are words that begin and pictures that begin with a P sound. So pause your video now and see how many you can find. Right then, let's check if you got all of these ones. Is jumper